Hello guys, today is a basketball event, sportscast or what it's called, can't remember the brand name, but I got this brand in the fucking box, good weeks ago for the website, I was doing a video of it. I had it on display in here, but I put up a shelf thing, so it's as big as in the shelf, so I had to take it down. I put on test week so I can make a video of it and stick over in its box. So up here, this is fucked. The minute I pick them off, it's up there for the other week. It's a cheap ass fan to I know. Balls were cut. Actually, balls good in though. I thought it didn't ball good in, but it does ball good in. When it was over there in the corner, didn't blow much in, but here it does blow good in. So there you go. So stickers came with a super soap later. I'm gonna demo this why it didn't go bad. Well, that's great. Oh, I guess my light went out. See that shit that way. But I just want to break the light on the whole time we video anyway, but I just want to feel like I turned the light off. But no, the light on my thing quit, lovely. LED! Ooh! Yeah. Fucking LED, goddamn. Fucking LED dial bullshit ass motherfucker. Low speed's a bit too fast, just because this thing wouldn't get that fast. So it's a low speed like this ridiculous. It has decently pitched blades, so I would just be on love. Probably got my elbow. Sorry for you TV in the background. Watching the Blues like I always fucking am. Keep good heat on. John Cold system like this. Fucking on God. I kind of break, but still no more. Hopefully that color doesn't fall while this motherfucker's on. It's in light. Not the camping, but the netting. Like I said, the rain came off. I cut up back up there, but it's not good. It's not taped. It's just thing. So, Fran Wall shoot. So I'm not be smart. It came off now. It seems to go faster than what it did in the corner too, which is weird. So it's actually a better quality thing I thought it was. Don't mean why I feel it all back here. Means we could attack that fast on me. But you kicking there for what it is. Looks like high speed. That's how high speed was right before, kind of. So it's kind of weird. But it's not like the corner it was in. Russian walk right. Many boys come on pictures trying to be for yourself. Well, it's actually going really fast on high forward, didn't it? It's fucking blowing me every fucking motherfucker. What you walls. But it's blowing my rainbow hugger, the wall profile, and the silver backwards. I like never had fan that does that ends on forward and it's blowing 3 fans backwards. That's kinda insane. Cause most times some of them go backwards on the chest and leg. So that's pretty fucking good. That's fun. Sorry, I can't turn my way. Let's go my way. Alright. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, man. It's almost dead. Put my shovel back on what we got. This, which almost forgot about. Why I? It's definitely slowing regression and digest. Actually, turns still off. The one of it on the top of both ends. Aggressive. My family always calls downstairs every time I'm filming.
Well, I'll stop. I just wanted to. You've been down here for a while.
Yeah, make a video. What do you want?
Ooh, it looks good.
It's me.
Oh, whoa. You've had
Sorry, my
show.
family's retired.
Okay, bye. We just wanted to see your progress. I hope you're not showing yourself in your damn underwear.
It's high. And that fucking mat is about to fall off. Wonderful. Good now. Alright, turn it off real quick. Alright, now. Turn these lights on again. Fuck it. Alright, pussies. So I mean, with the minute, it's definitely not. Yeah, it goes. Once again. So. Came with these, this came with basketball terms, I'm gonna come with these two. we want. Number oh, NBA. Dumbass. I was trying to read it. It says NBA. Bring back all the stickers I put the boys. It came with so many stickers. And I could see them all because all been in a box. But I still want them with braid. And I can name them all. Top is oak. And then I'm going to get to a retag, so. Cocksucker. Oh, what the fuck? What's the read on this piece? Alright, but yeah, let's go piece of pussy.